if you want to do grilling like a real pro or like a pro chef, then you should consider this awesome glove set here. I got it from the seller to show you how it works, but it's still my honest opinion, and you can see everything live here anyway. And so what we get here in this awesome set are 3 pairs of heat resistant gloves here, compared especially to nitrile gloves, much more cut resistant, and they are definitely really thick, and they are full size, not just like toys or children's size or so. I have medium hands and they work perfectly here for me. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, really nice, thick, heavy, sturdy, but still with this super flexible band, so it's very easy to put them on and remove them. You can do this many times. Yeah, really nice, comfortable, soft inside. Definitely nothing to complain regarding the gloves. But on top of that, we have this super extra layer here of nitrile gloves. We have 100 pairs here, so you can see you can take out every time a fresh one. That's very important when it gets into contact with meat. And so you can see that live here, how easy I can add this here. It's already on, and you can see this is absolutely amazing. Now I have 2 layers of protection here. The top protection for extra safety for the meat, to have it really clean, so you don't have to touch the meat with dirty hands or gloves. And inside we have the heat protection. This is exactly the combination which we want, and the combination which the pros are using. And I tried it already yesterday while grilling, and it worked absolutely awesome. But of course it doesn't only work for adding the meat, can also work for flipping, shredding the meat, cutting the meat, and after that to clean the grill, even while the grill is hot. And you don't have to fear that these nice heat resistant gloves are getting dirty. Of course you can still wash them from time to time. Of course, highly recommended. They are really nicely made. You can see here absolutely perfect quality also inside. That's very important. All the stitches absolutely perfect, no open seams, no nothing, exactly how they should be. And here we have the large size of course very important, of these 100 disposable nitrile gloves with excellent 4mm thickness. Swiftlight, the brand here, yeah, absolutely love them. And so this is what I'm going to use in the future, and so hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.